Example number 4. You are partitioning, I'm sorry, let me repronounce that. You are partitioning an office into rectangular workspaces, each with an area of 120 feet squared. Okay? Each of these little spaces is 120 feet squared. Suggest 2 possible rectangles that could be used. Okay, well, let's do this. Here's one rectangle. What could the 2 sides be so that the area is 120 feet squared? What are 2 possible sides? Caroline?
12 and 100.
Not 12 and 100. No. Lily? 12 and 10, because 12 times 10 gives me 120. That's true. Okay, so I could just write 12 by 10. That's one possibility. How about another one? Does anyone have another one that they could give me? Isabel? How about 60 times 2? That might be a weird office to be in, right? 2 feet wide and 60 feet long. Okay, that'd be kind of weird, but there you go. 60 times 2, right? 60 by 2, that would give us 120 feet squared. Anything else? Bennett? 30 by 4. How about that? 4 and 30. Does that give us 120? Sure. 30 feet by 4 feet. Anybody have one more for me? There's a special one that I'm looking for that no one has said yet, but it has something to do with today's lesson. You know, which I think you might find interesting. Lou?
10.9544511.
Now, Lou, what is that?
The square root of 120.
The square root of 120? Well, why don't we just say this? The square root of 120 times the square root of 120. What is the square root of 120 times the square root of 120? 120, right. Make sense? A number multiplied by itself that equals 120. Okay, well, let's multiply by itself. All right? So root 120 times root 120 would give us 120 feet squared, right? And Lou, what did you say that was approximately? The square root of 120 is?
10.954451115.
There we go. Now, Lou, let me ask you this. Is it a rational number?
No.
No. It goes on forever and ever. The calculator stopped, but the number doesn't. Okay, it's not rational. Peyton, yes, sir?
I have another one.
Peyton has another one that he's going to be insistent upon. Oh, no. Can I even fit in there, or do I have to be like this? Okay, what is it?
120 times
1 foot by 120.
I have a reasonable one.
You have a reasonable one? What do you have?
24 times 5.
24 times 5. That's okay. All right. Good. Those are lots of different rectangles that give us an area of 120. Nice job, folks. You're ready for your homework.